How can Quora be used for digital marketing? Here are the procedures for utilizing Quora for digital marketing purposes. Sign up for a Quora account. To get started, create a Quora account. It will grant you access to the Quora platform, where you may connect with other users, pose and respond to questions, and participate in the Quora community. Add a profile photo and bio that appropriately portrays your brand to your Quora profile to personalize it. This will assist you in establishing your credibility and gaining the trust of platform users. Identify your target audience. Determine the relevant product and service-related themes and queries for your intended audience. Engage with other users by commenting on their responses and providing follow-up questions. It might help you identify as an industry thought leader and cultivate relationships with potential customers. Participate in pertinent conversations. Identify and join discussions about your product or service. Provide relevant and valuable responses to inquiries that correspond with your marketing objectives. Build your expertise. Demonstrate your skills and understanding in your subject by responding to questions and providing insightful information. Use relevant keywords in your responses and profile to make it easier for users to locate you. It will raise your platform visibility and improve your chances of being discovered by potential clients. Add links to your website. If you have a website or blog, include links to relevant content in your answers. You can also use Quora ads to advertise your company and reach a broader audience on the platform. Offer unique and valuable content. Make sure your replies are distinctive, relevant, and beneficial to users. It will make your brand stand out and garner more attention. Be consistent, participate in pertinent conversations, and interact with platform users regularly. Constant involvement will assist you in establishing yourself as a thought leader and keeping your brand at the forefront of users' minds. Collaborate with other specialists. Collaborate with other specialists in your field by co-authoring responses or engaging in group conversations. It can help you reach a larger audience and develop partnerships with other industry thought leaders. Regularly monitor your performance on Quora by keeping track of data such as views, upvotes, and conversions. Utilize this data to tweak your strategy and further enhance your results. Following these methods, you may use Quora as a digital marketing tool to engage potential consumers, establish your brand, and generate website traffic. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.